Can I take headlines from competitors' landing pages? Well, nobody is going to stop you, but then your headlines and their headlines are going to look the same. I would always say get inspirations from other people and your competitors, but then write your own, try to make it better. Don't copy it. Never copy it, and never copy anybody's images as well, because you will get into trouble and somebody will sue you for copyright breaches. And it's not nice to copy. How would you like it if somebody else copied yours? You won't like it, would you? So don't do things if somebody did that to you, you won't like. It's not nice. And what it says, if your client came, and it will, it's all on the internet. How would you feel if the client says, well, you copied my competitor's headlines. Why am I paying you? I could have done that myself. So don't do it.